Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Asra Ansari.
I, Ashutosh Dave.
And I am Bhumika Arya.
We are from BSc first year CMP Degree College. We are here to present our idea, which is on wheelchairs convertible into crutches. So the problem which we faced, some disabled people face, were about architectural barriers like steps, narrow doorways, inaccessible restroom. Then the second problem which they face is transportation issues. After that, they face physical challenges like they are not able to move in a crowded place, and then societal barriers like some people are not, they feel in processes.
So we have a concept of wheelchair that can be converted into crutches. So crutches so that they can be easily used on stairs, on transportation, or even places. And we have a concept that we can attach a latch or a button that can convert a wheelchair into crutches.
Okay, the next is impacts and benefits. So in this, the impacts of this is helpful for the people who is not be able to move on the stairs. So this is the better way to convert the wheelchair into crutches, so that they can able to and be independent to move with themselves on the stairs without any external help, and this makes them this is the better way to help themselves independently, and it helps so many ways. In so many ways they can help themselves, like this is handy and easily convertible, and give them little confidence that they can do, and it also helps it also enhance their abilities to participate in daily activities, and overall this will give the person a little more confidence toward their lifestyle, and they won't feel themselves backward and something like that. So this is really helpful for the people with the disability, and this will help them.
So scope of the wheelchair convertible to crutches lies in enhancing user independence for people with mobility challenges. Adopting this wheelchair function as both a wheelchair or flat surface, as a pair of crutches for stairs or short distance.
Our main ideology behind this project is that some people who are unable to walk, or they can't walk for long distances, can use this wheelchair which is convertible into crutches, like so they don't need any help. Okay, so we end our ideology here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.